Hey guys, welcome to my first tutorial on MIT App Inventor. Um, I'm basically going to be showing you how to do the. I'm going to be showing you how to switch from screen 1 to screen 2, screen whatever to screen whatever, and yeah, yeah. So,
Alright, so once you get ready to
in the search bar, go to type up, type in. So in the search bar, type in AI2.appinventor.mit.edu and click enter. So here it should choose your account. Uh, okay, so when you come in, you would see that pop up, which I forgot to show you how to do. You just click continue, and then you just come up with your projects with. It shows you all the projects on the loading screen. So now you click on the um. Now you just add. Whoops. Okay, so now you create and click start new project. Project name, just type it whatever, and then click OK. And it will show up and then load. So now what you need is a button. Click and drag it from the user interface in the palette, and in the um, in the properties section of this button, you where it says text, name it something like screen 2, something like that, and it's basically all that's happening in screen 1. So now we click add screen, and then just screen names, name it whatever. I suggest just leaving it as it is, because that's it's really not going to affect it that much. Click OK, and then it should bring you to screen 2. So here you just click and drag whatever. I just suggest doing a label at the start, and then again go to the properties of the label, to the text part right here, and then delete it all and typing something like welcome to screen 2. Okay, so now you have this screen 1 with a screen 2 with the button that will send you to screen 2, and then on screen 2 you have a label that says welcome to screen 2, or whatever you put in. So now go back to screen 1, click on blocks, click button 1, and then the first one, when button 1 dot click do, click and drag that to the viewer area, and then from there you find the controls, which is under built-in in the blocks. Scroll down until you see open another screen name. Click and drag that into the little puzzle piece thing under the first block we dragged in, and it should look something like this. So now click text, scroll all the way up, and you click and drag this little thing with the little text box and the 2 parentheses around it. Click and drag that right here, and then type in the second screen's name. Okay, so now that's basically, that's basically what you do. So basically to connect, just click connect, AI companion, and then type in the code or whatever, and it will just connect and you can use it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next tutorial. Peace out.